Rukhsana Ismail, the Mayor of Rotherham, and I want to express my deep concern following the recent tragic events in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Over the past few days, I've been contacted by local residents who are family directly affected by this heartbreaking situation. I too have family in the region and I haven't spoken with them as there is no internet and phone access. I am deeply concerned for them and for others facing similar uncertainty and fear. My thoughts and prayers are with those who have lost loved ones and with all those injured or displaced. I stand in solidarity with our Kashmiri community here in Rotherham, many of whom are feeling deep distress and helplessness. Now more than ever, we must come together for peace, and I call upon the authorities for restraint, accountability, and meaningful dialogue. The rights, dignity, and the voices of people of Azad Kashmir must be safeguarded. I urge our local members of parliament to raise this issue with Foreign Office as a matter of urgency, pressing for diplomatic engagement, the restoration of communications in the region, and for the UK government to play its part in supporting efforts towards peace, justice, and human rights. As the Mayor of Rotherham, I am here to support members of our own community here in Rotherham and across South Yorkshire who have been impacted by these events. I remain committed to offering solidarity, guidance, and assistance to all families in need. So I urge you all, please do reach out.